Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, of course. Today's video is a shout out video. The shout out go to Amy McLean, and also guys, we've got Luisito. Thank you for the freaking all the support on my videos thing. Crap. I absolutely loved your video. Keep on putting out good content, haha. I subscribed. I hope to see more videos soon. So do I, Mush. So do I. I mean, that's what I'm also hoping. And then he put, anyways, keep up the good work. And she said, the headphones look great. And so do I. So I just did that. And I also did it to this one. I'm not going to, like mine or heart mine because they're my own. Which would, freaking thingy mine. Just make me like a freaking weird, YouTuber. When I get a phone, guys, I'm going to log straight into this freaking account and I'm going to show you all around my state. I might get a freaking GoPro as well. They're really, really good. So guys, so there was your guys' shout out, I guess. I mean, guys, join the Jord Gang. Link in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, guys, I got one more thing. You guys, I can't fucking do them. Right. I am bringing out 2 games. One called Devil vs Angel. One I'm going to freaking name. Goodbye, guys. So yeah, make sure to join the freaking Jord Gang. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.